and he's showing you that he's still clever and crafty, showing you reasons why he's the best of all time.
There'll be a very warm reception for MJ when he's introduced, and then they'll be pulling for the Knicks. We'll have that scene after this message and a word from our ABC station. Spike Lee and his youngsters in attendance here today for his buddy Michael Jordan's last appearance in Madison Square Garden. Greatest moments, and speaking of that, let's go to 1984. Ronald Reagan wins re-election as president, and Michael Jordan made his first appearance at the Garden. He scored 33 points for Chicago, and he capped this special night off with a move that Thomas will jump it off at 6'9". And Haywood, a 7-footer for the Wizards, controls the jump.
For years, have been trying to figure out the point spot after Mark Jackson left here, but Isley doing a great job the second half of the year.
Wide open, and Michael knocks it down.
Stop the basketball. The other players are irrelevant. I've seen the Michael, and I'm saying the closest, and when I mean close, he's still a mile away. If you can ever play the kind of defense that Michael did in the half court, then you're talking about a true comparison.
There's Michael Jordan, and doesn't that shot bring back?
At the Staples Center this year, very capable scorer.
Jordan's turn.
They're sharing the basketball.
Jordan keeping the dribble. Stuck right with Anderson, just looked over at him and said, man, you're 40 years old. And he's talking to him, come down. You're not supposed to be doing that at age 40. Now, will you cut that out, Michael?
And after he nails it, you can see Shannon Anderson look at him like, come on.
And Michael says, come on, Shandon. Let's do it. Come on, Shandon. No way. All day, Shandon, I can do. Oh, this is getting good.
Michael's mouth is moving.
As a coach, he's such a fear. You're going to listen. If Michael Jordan tells you something, you're going to listen. That's why college coaches in my mind have so much trouble in the NBA. As Michael said, now that. Here we go.
Brent, I'm telling you.
Good job here. Stoliak, and guess who knocked it away? Michael goes to save it, gets it into Russell's hands, and now Jordan's doing it both ends of the floor, and back he comes again. Oh, so long, Stoliak. And one. Oh, baby.
Wow. Yeah, he put Stoliak on roller skates that time. He came off, used a nice screen, was able to lose Latrell Sprewell. Here it is. They gave him the ball on the open floor. It came off that screen by Charles Oakley. And you're talking about a colossal mismatch when you have a 7-footer, any 7-footer that's ever played in this league, trying to guard Michael Jordan in the open floor. And you pull big men out of the paint, and they're like fish out of water.
Now, you know, there's Coach Chaney. Some of you youngsters never watched Coach Chaney play. I want to tell you right now, he was one of the Knickerbockers are playing a good basketball game here.
Yes, they are.
Anderson's got him, and Jordan draws the foul. Look at Michael, the look on his face. That got you that time again, Shannon.
Yeah, right now he's teaching lessons, Brent. Just showing you that jumper because he's knocked down his last 4 or 5. You have to respect it, and he gets you off your feet, throws his body into you. He knows how to draw fouls.
Allen Houston up. He'll take a little break. Jordan Howe with 18 points will defend him.
Well, how can you lose him on a screen?
He did.
That's just miscommunication on the defensive.
Michael has gone right by him. Now 21 of the Wizards, 42 points.
And Michael's just like a fine Bordeaux. I mean, the guy's still good, 40 years of age. I'd like to see some of these young guys, if they're still able